Alex was a young man who spent most of his day scrolling through social media. He felt like he was missing out on something if he wasn't connected to his accounts. He knew he was wasting his time but couldn't help himself. One day he stumbled upon a motivational video about a successful businessman who had started with very little but managed to turn his life around through hard work and dedication. This video inspired Alex, and he realized that he too had the potential to be successful if he used his time wisely. He decided to put his social media addiction to rest and focus on his passions and hobbies. He read books, took online courses, and worked on developing his skills. Months went by, and Alex's hard work and dedication started to pay off. He landed his dream job, started his own business, and even published a book about his journey. Looking back, Alex realized that his addiction to social media was only holding him back. He was wasting his precious time on meaningless activities that weren't helping him grow. But by taking control of his life and putting in the effort, he was able to achieve things he never thought possible. If you're like Alex, don't let social media hold you back. Instead, focus on your goals and work hard to achieve them. Remember that success takes time, effort, and dedication. So don't waste your time on social media. Use it to grow and be the successful person you were meant to be.